It's Hailey, Sani, and today I'm going to be filming a very exciting video. I've been excited to try this video out for a while now. We're going to be trying out the curly girl method on my hair. So this is going to be a hair related video. It's actually sponsored by Function of Beauty. I'm super excited to work with them because I think their product is going to work perfectly with what I'm trying out today. So a little backstory, I filmed a hair care routine like a month ago, and I was basically telling you guys how I struggle with taming my hair, but like I'm trying to figure out ways, and a lot of the comments on that video were basically telling me, girl, you got it all wrong. The way that you're treating your hair and taking care of it is not what you're supposed to do for the type of hair that you have. Basically, you guys were telling me that I'm treating my hair as if I have straight hair, when in reality I have wavy hair. Because the methods I use don't match with the type of hair that I have, that's why it's so hard for me to tame it. A couple of you suggested I try out the curly girl method, and I was like, what the heck is that? Like, I've never even heard of that. Like, when people ask me what type of hair do you have, I usually just say dry. Like, saying I have curly hair never ever even crossed my mind, because when you look at my hair, like, what the hell is your hair? Like, it's straight here at the top, it gets kind of wavy, and for me, I just kind of learned to live with that. I just figured out ways to like stop it from getting poofy and just experimenting with that. But after you guys recommended for me to try out the curly girl method, I looked it up and I did a little bit of research on it, and everything made so much more sense to me. So I'm gonna be trying out the curly girl method out for the first time. And what the curly girl method is, for those of you that don't know, it's like very specific steps that you take, things you avoid doing when you have wavy to curly hair, and once you do treat it like that, it kind of enhances the natural shape of your hair. Everyone was telling me, girl, you have wavy hair. Instead of trying to figure out a way to like make it more straight and more like calm down, you should figure out ways to enhance your waves so that way it just looks more healthy and natural. And when Function of Beauty reached out to me, it all made sense. It was literally like fate asked me to like work with them, because what they do is they create shampoos and conditioner that are uniquely designed and formulated to fit the exact type of hair that you have. I'd already given up on trying to find the perfect shampoo and conditioner. I was just trying to kind of make up for the lack of like the perfect shampoo and conditioner by using like products after the shower, like leave-in conditioners, oils, gels, masks, whatever it was. And they kind of gave me hope for the products I do use in the shower. So what you do is go online on their website. They have a 2-minute quiz, and you tell them everything about your hair, like the things that you struggle with, your hair goals, what you're trying to do, what you want out of a good shampoo and conditioner. Give them details about the type of hair that you have, and you can even decide like what you want your shampoo and conditioner to smell like. They take care of the rest. They put together a formula. What's insane is that no two formula is ever the same. Like, every formula, every shampoo and conditioner is unique to one type of person, and when they send it to you, the shampoos and conditioners even have your name on it. I just feel more of like a purpose when using these because I know they're specially designed for me. And since all of you were telling me I was doing the wrong thing for my hair and I wasn't treating my hair the way it should be treated, I just thought it makes more sense to use a product that's literally just designed for my hair type. Another point in the curly girl method rulebook is you're not supposed to use any shampoos or conditioners with sulfate, parabens, harsh chemicals, because if you do use a shampoo or conditioner like that, it can actually ruin like the natural shape of your curl and damage it. And my Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner is sulfate, paraben, GMO, toxin free, and it's vegan and cruelty free, which are just bonuses. Like, they're so cool. Like, they sent me like a sticker book, like everything. They're awesome. So if you have hair like mine, or you're struggling with hair like mine, it might be like enlightening. Maybe you'll discover something new and you can relate to the type of hair that I have, and we can both find a really good solution together. Honestly, I just always thought I had frizzy hair and there was nothing I could do about it. Like, I never knew it was because I was doing something wrong. I'm gonna hop in the shower now, shampoo and condition my hair using my Function of Beauty products, and then I'll take you guys along with me through every step I take through the curly girl method, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the results. So as you can tell, I just washed my hair, and I want to talk a little bit about what you have to do in the shower when it comes to the curly girl method, because doing the littlest changes can make a big difference when it comes to results. What the curly girl method suggests is, first of all, your water shouldn't be super hot. Heat is just damaging to your hair in general. The colder you can make it, the better. It'll help you eliminate the frizz. So what I did was I took a little bit of conditioner and applied it to the ends of my hair even before I did shampoo. So I just layered a little bit of conditioner at the ends of my hair. And then I went ahead and grabbed my shampoo, and you definitely don't need to use a lot. Usually when you do have frizzy hair, it doesn't get super oily to begin with. So just use a little bit of shampoo and massage it into your scalp. The curly girl method recommends you to wash your hair literally once a week, but you don't have to go cold turkey. If you wash your hair like every other day, just try to eliminate it slowly. So instead of washing it every 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, until you get to a week. And that's just shampoo use. Like, you can just wash your hair with water if you like work out every day or something like that. That's what I do. Once you're done shampooing, go ahead and rinse out the shampoo. And obviously the conditioner that you put at the ends before the shampoo will also just rinse out on its own. And then afterwards, what I do is grab my hair, squeeze out the water in it as best as I can, just so I can like get to the very strands of the hair and there isn't just a layer of water over it. That way when you apply conditioner, it'll directly just soak up the conditioner instead of having a layer of water in between your hair and the conditioner. So then I apply some conditioner, leave it on for a few minutes. In the meantime, I'll just wash my body and then my face, and then rinse out the conditioner, but not completely. Like, you don't have to make sure every bit of conditioner is out of your hair. So when you step out of the shower, there should still be a little bit of conditioner left on your hair. It kind of acts as like a leave-in conditioner in a sense. What you're absolutely not allowed to do is use heat to blow dry your hair. The curly girl method recommends that you air dry your hair, which is what I'm going to be doing. Usually I blow dry my hair, so this is a little different for me. And also, you're not supposed to put your hair up in a towel. If you're like about to run out the door and you can't have like super soaked hair, they recommend using like a t-shirt to like soak up the hair. It's just the material of the towel and then your hair rubbing against each other creates more frizz, so your hair will become more poofy. Also, another step, which is very interesting, is you're not supposed to comb your hair. If you have super tangly hair, maybe like a wide tooth comb or just using your fingers. But if you have wavy hair, they just recommend you to just leave it the way it is. I always brush out my hair with a wet brush, so I'm very curious as to what my hair is gonna look like. So while my hair air dries, obviously I can't speed up that process. I quickly wanted to mention some of the answers I plugged into the quiz on Function of Beauty's website before they formulated my shampoo and conditioner, and they sent it to you in like a little booklet, and it's so cute. It's obviously personalized, so it says Function of Hailey. It's like a little menu just for me. It's adorable. I'm obsessed with this company. Like, they're freaking awesome. So this is my hair profile: wavy, coarse, and dry. Sounded about right. My goals were to deep condition, replenish hair, strengthen, hydrate, and curl definition. All things that my hair was kind of lacking that I want to focus a little bit more on. And the fragrance I picked was Flower to the People. So they're gonna help me repair damage from heat or chemicals, enhance and define my natural curls. I always thought my hair had no shape, like straight but kind of wavy underneath, super puffy sometimes. I was just like, it depends on the day. So those are all the steps that go into the curly hair method. I'm not blow drying it, I'm not combing it, I didn't use a towel, I still have a little bit of conditioner in my hair. We'll see where this takes me. I'll come back once my hair is completely dry. It's the next day. Obviously my hair's dry now. I'm gonna reveal my hair. I'm gonna do a little hair flip in a minute, but I was really hoping that this video wouldn't be one of those videos where it's like, oh, we try this new challenge, it fails, and the video just documents how you tried it and it failed. So glad this video is not gonna be one of those videos, because are you kidding me? Do you see the definition in my curls right now? I have mermaid waves and I didn't even style it using heat. Like, this is literally my natural hair a day after I just washed it. I didn't do anything. I didn't even brush it. Literally, this is my hair right now. I'm so happy with the results. Imagine like consistently like using this method and using these products and then slowly accomplishing your hair goals, where like whether it's you want to strengthen it, bring back the hydration, redefine your curls. The more you use it, the better your hair gets as time gets by. And like, this is just like the first time I've ever tried the method. I think we got ourselves a success. Shout out to Function of Beauty for coming through and standing by their promises. So this is what the bottle's like, but if you wanted to use it with a pump, you definitely could. And they also sent me a kit with all these tiny like travel size bottles. You can fill them up with your shampoo and bring them with you on vacation. These are available to purchase separately than the shampoos and conditioner. I'm gonna link them down below and you can click it and and actually get 20% off your first order and slowly knock out your hair goals one by one. And we can twin with our luscious ass hair. And honestly, shout out to you guys for recognizing that I was doing something wrong and helping me switch up my routine to get my hair to be like the way that it's supposed to be. Like, if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't even know about the curly girl method. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down below. Also, let me know in the comments how you like your shampoos to smell like. I chose floral and they have a bunch of different options, and I'm curious as to like what other people like their hair to smell like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, all the way to Pluto and back. Bye.